Today I'll be going through and showing you with step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the HP OfficeJet Pro 8600. This how-to video also applies to these printer models here. And the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. First, you're going to open the printer to access the space where you'll load the ink cartridges in and out. This can be found in the front of the printer to the left of the screen panel. You will need to pull down the door to reveal the cartridge slots. If you're installing the ink cartridges on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you're replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you, or mail them into the printer manufacturer free of charge for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Then, remove the plastic orange cover on the cartridge and align the ink cartridge so it will fit into the slot. If it's not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it the right way up and that you're inserting it into the correct slot. Be careful not to touch the gold contact points on the cartridge or it may damage the cartridge. Simple as pie. Now you've installed one ink cartridge. Now, you'll need to install the other colors the same way you just installed that last one. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.